So Helen, how has camp been this week?
Yeah, it's been good. It's nice to be back together again. Obviously we had the Cyprus Cup last month. Focus turns to qualifying games now, but it's good to be around the girls and around camp, and it's been positive. We've all got down, done some good work, and we're raring to go. To be honest, with this group of girls, the spirits always are high. We've got a good staff and a good squad, so everyone's been up and keeping each other happy and smiling.
So you were the hat-trick hero back in November. Are we going to do it again?
Well, I'd like to, but the most important thing is obviously for the team to win, and whoever might score the goals is fine. You know, it was lovely to score a hat-trick. It's always an honour to play for Wales, so to score 3 goals was a privilege. But yeah, as long as we get the 3 points, we'll be happy.
We want to go there and get the 3 points and work hard together, and then we can go into the next game against Norway with hopefully a positive result against Kazakhstan. There's a positive vibe around the camp. Everyone's buzzing to go. Obviously, travel's going to be a bit of a nightmare, but once we're there, we'll be focused, ready for the game on Wednesday.
Everyone's ready to go now. We're getting some final preparations in as well, and yeah, everyone's a bit excited. I think we got a lot of confidence, especially as well going off the back of Cyprus Cup and getting some really good results and some good performances in March, and hopefully we'll take some good preparations over there as well, and hopefully if we do everything right that we've done this week, I'm sure we'll come away with 3 points and hopefully a clean sheet as well. If we can get a result, against Kazakhstan, who says that we can't get a result against the other teams? And if you want to get to the Euros, you have to beat the better teams and you have to play well. And it's all a learning curve as well. But yeah, we're here to win and we're here to hopefully qualify as well.